Tax Pyramid presents GST News. The first news is that CBIC extends compliances net to micro firms also. CBIC has clarified that from 1st December, e-way bill generation facility is to be blocked for all the taxpayers, irrespective of their aggregate turnover, if they fail to file their returns for 2 consecutive periods. Rule 138E, which is regarding blocking of e-way bill facility, was applicable from 15th October 2020, but only for large firms with turnover more than Rs 5 crores. NIC is now to activate the feature for all the firms, irrespective of their turnover, from 1st December 2020. Through this, government expects to increase compliances and hence GST collections. The other news is also related to e-way bills. CBIC has enabled online filing of application form EWB05 for unblocking this e-way bill generation facility once it is blocked. It was long demanded and is a major relief. Earlier, this application was filed on manual basis. Now, the taxpayers whose e-way bill facility has been blocked can apply through GST portal for unblocking. The investigation arm of GST, Directorate General of GST Intelligence of Gurugram Zone, has made arrest in Rs 129 crore tax evasion case, where the convict was involved in illegal manufacturing and supply of cigarettes without GST payment and other required documents. Haryana resident Satinder Sharma is said to be the kingpin, has been arrested. He was illegally manufacturing under various international brand names of other companies. These illegally manufactured cigarettes were supplied through Delhi to all over India. Government initiates a drive to cancel registration of non-filers during the month. In this massive drive, as many as 5.43 lakh taxpayers have been identified who have not filed their returns for the last 6 months and might face cancellation. Besides, daily 1 lakh SMS and email reminders are also to be sent for timely return filing. Tax officers have been directed to follow up personally to ensure return filing. These measures are being taken to check tax evasion and increase GST collections. GST collections once again crosses 1 lakh crore as November 2020 collections stood at 1,04,963 crores. This has been the second consecutive month to cross 1 lakh crore mark. Revenue of November 2020 has been 1.4% higher than the same month in last year. This obviously signifies continued economic recovery. In the nationwide crackdown against fake GST invoices, Directorate General of GST Intelligence has arrested total number of 59 persons, including 3 chartered accountants, in last 10 days of this nationwide drive against fake GST invoices. The numbers are shocking. Total number of 793 cases have been registered so far, with identification of 2,802 entities involved. 3 chartered accountants from Ludhiana and Hyderabad has been arrested. Rs 177.50 crores cash has been recovered in the nationwide raids. More arrests are likely as efforts are being made to nab the absconding fraudsters, and these raids are to further continue in coming days. Centre has postponed the QR code requirement for B2C transactions up to 1st April 2021. The QR code requirement on B2C invoices for taxpayers with more than 500 crore turnover was to be applicable from 1st December. But now Council has waived the penalty for period from December to March 21 end, provided the person complies with the provision of QR code for B2C supplies from 1st April. Madhya Pradesh High Court quashes demand order while saying that the show cause notice was to be published on website and not communicated through email to the taxpayer. High Court held that statutory procedure prescribed for communication of show cause notice under Rule 142(1) of CGST rules was not followed by the revenue. This judgment was given in Akash Garg versus the state of Madhya Pradesh. The new scheme, QR MP scheme, wherein returns is to be filed on quarterly basis while tax is to be paid on monthly basis. This scheme is going to be effective from 1st January 2021. The taxpayer having aggregate turnover up to 5 crore rupees in the preceding financial year shall be eligible for this QR MP scheme. The earlier monthly return GSTR 1 and 3B for these taxpayers would be on quarterly basis. The tax would be paid on self-assessment or on fixed percentage basis monthly White Challan PMT 06. The notifications and circulars providing details and procedures have been issued by the government. So this was all for this edition from the news desk.